Millions of dollars in state funding is hoping to help hundreds of displaced oil workers find a new career. I'm Eric J. Dockery, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. The Employment Training Resources has received more than $11 million to offset the impact by the state that is squeezing this industry dry. Kern County received state funding to help workers who have been laid off in the oil and gas industry. They plan to do this through a program that will provide training along with reemployment services.
Was anybody who's already been impacted that works in that industry or suspect they might be impacted by it, reach out to us and we can begin to have those conversations and really listen to what they think they would like to have to help them with this transition.
Oil companies have been reducing workers and even closing up shop due to ongoing changes in the industry in California. Employment Training Resource is there to help workers with resume training, applying for new jobs, in hopes to get them ready to enter a new industry. Despite all this, some companies like Hathaway LLC have stayed in the game the whole time, and the changes in California haven't had a major impact on their company.
So our employee count has been very stable, and I've always felt like that. There are times in the past we've had to due to low oil prices, but I built my company on the basis of survival.
Hathaway tells me they don't want changes being pushed down the state. They want Kern County to stay the same.
It's insulting. You kill our jobs that are paying $85,000 to $120,000 a year. You tell the engineers, sorry, we can't help you. You need to go find a job somewhere else. Geologists, all the technical folks that someone put themselves through college and worked their tails off to get where they're at. You're going to hand us a pittance that equals about $15,000 per employee. We don't want your money. We want our jobs.
Even though some businesses have been impacted and some haven't, the state is still heading in a different direction, and the county recognizes that.
First things first, we wish that the oil and gas industry that has been the heart and soul of Kern County for so long was able to just continue to thrive, and all of these folks were able to continue doing the jobs that have been feeding their family for so long. But we know that California as a whole is transitioning away from this, and so we have accepted that, and what we're doing is we're trying to work towards helping that transition be as smooth as possible. It may be that we're able to help them find a job that is equal in quality to what they're used to, but whatever it is, we're going to try to make that transition as successful as possible for them.
If you find yourself looking for a new career outside of the oil or gas industry, you can call 661-742-2217 or go to employerstrainingresource.com. Brandon tells me there's more than 500 spots available. For 23 ABC, I'm Eric J. Dockery, Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.